Marijuana indica, a strain of the cannabis indica plant, is widely recognized for its relaxing and sedative effects. Rich in tetrahydrocannabinol, or THC, and cannabidiol, often called CBD, this strain is often used medicinally and recreationally to promote relaxation, relieve pain, and improve sleep. Medical applications of marijuana indica include managing chronic pain, insomnia, anxiety, muscle spasms, and appetite loss. Recreational users often seek its calming effects for unwinding or stress relief. While marijuana indica offers numerous potential benefits, it may cause a range of side effects from mild to severe. The following side effects are relatively common and may occur as your body adjusts to its use. 1. Dry mouth, a frequent sensation of mouth dryness. 2. Red eyes, often due to increased blood flow to the eyes. 3. Increased appetite, commonly referred to as the munchies. It stimulates hunger. 4. Drowsiness. Indica strains are well known for their sedative properties. 5. Mild euphoria, or relaxation, a sense of well-being and calmness. 6. Impaired coordination, difficulty with fine motor skills or physical tasks. These side effects are usually temporary and may resolve as the body metabolizes the substance. If they persist or worsen, consider adjusting the dosage or strain. Though uncommon, marijuana indica may cause serious side effects that require immediate medical attention. 1. Severe drowsiness or fatigue, excessive sedation that interferes with daily activities. 2. Low blood pressure. Indica strains may lower blood pressure, leading to dizziness or fainting. 3. Dependence or withdrawal. Long-term use may result in dependency, with withdrawal symptoms such as irritability, sleep disturbances, or cravings. 4. Impaired judgment. Reduced ability to make sound decisions, particularly when operating machinery or driving. 5. Respiratory issues. Smoking marijuana indica can irritate the lungs and cause coughing or chronic bronchitis symptoms. 6. Mental health effects. In rare cases, high doses of THC may contribute to anxiety, depression, or paranoia, particularly in sensitive individuals. Marijuana indica is valued for its therapeutic and recreational applications, especially for its relaxing and sleep-promoting effects. However, responsible use is essential to minimize risks and maximize benefits. If you experience any unusual symptoms or adverse effects while using marijuana indica, consult a healthcare provider. Always adhere to local laws and regulations regarding cannabis use and consume it in moderation.
Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to make sure you stay up to date on my videos.